The banded palm civet, also known as the banded civet, is a species of small carnivorous mammal found in parts of Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. Banded palm civets are small, with a body length of around 40 to 50 centimeters and a tail length of around 35 to 40 centimeters. They have a slender, elongated body with short legs and a pointed snout. Their fur is dark brown or black with a series of light-colored bands running across their back and sides. They also have a distinctive white stripe running from their forehead to their nose. Banded palm civets are primarily found in tropical rainforests, but they also inhabit secondary growth forests and other wooded areas. They are native to parts of Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and other countries in Southeast Asia. Banded palm civets are omnivores, feeding on a variety of foods including fruits, insects, small mammals, and birds. They are also known to eat carrion and will occasionally prey on reptiles. Banded palm civets are nocturnal and spend most of their time in trees. They are solitary animals and are generally only seen in pairs during the breeding season. They communicate with each other using scent marking and vocalizations. The banded palm civet is listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Habitat loss and fragmentation are the primary threats to this species. As forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, and other forms of development, they are also hunted for their meat and for use in traditional medicine. Banded palm civets have a gestation period of around 60 days, after which they give birth to a litter of 1 to 3 young. The young are born blind and helpless and are cared for by the mother until they are able to fend for themselves. They reach sexual maturity at around 2 to 3 years of age. In addition to habitat loss and hunting, banded palm civets are also threatened by the wildlife trade. They are sometimes captured and sold as exotic pets or for use in the production of civet coffee, a luxury coffee made from beans that have been eaten and excreted by civets. The capture and trade of wildlife is a major threat to the survival of many species, and efforts are underway to combat this illegal trade. The conservation of banded palm civets requires the protection of their natural habitat and the enforcement of laws and regulations to prevent hunting and the wildlife trade. Many organizations are working to raise awareness of the importance of protecting this species and its habitat, and to support efforts to conserve it. Banded palm civets play an important role in their ecosystem as seed dispersers. They eat fruits and other plant material, which they then deposit throughout their range, helping to spread seeds and promote the growth of new plants. They also help to control populations of insects and small mammals through predation, which can help to maintain a healthy balance in the ecosystem. Overall, the banded palm civet is a fascinating and important species that is facing a number of threats to its survival. It is important to work together to protect this species and its habitat, to ensure that it continues to play its important role in the ecosystem and to preserve it for future generations to enjoy.